Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you can see me. So today we are going to finally clean these makeup brushes, which I have been telling you all about like forever and ever. So the first thing I use, I'll show you what I use first, is Dow antibacterial soap. So I just get a bar of this and I use my Dr. Bronner's. This is in peppermint, and I use some dishwashing liquid. So I just take a plate, put the two on a plate, and this is one container of the brushes. We're not going to clean all of these today. I just need something clean. And I also use a little scrubber thing that I got from probably AliExpress or Shop Miss A or something. So let's get together. So let's take this first brush. I think this is a Morphe brush. This is a Morphe E63. So I take it. Look, I haven't washed them in so long, I don't even know what I do no more. I'm going to put it right here so it don't spill. So I wet it, put it in my little sauce. This is the soap bar. Scrub it in the soap bar. Then I'm going to come back to my little scrubber. So, yeah. Wet it, dip it, scrub it in the soap. I hope I'm in focus. I ran out of brushes like completely, and that is so sad. And this isn't even half of the brushes I have. I use the antibacterial soap because I know that it'll get all the fungus and bacteria and stuff out, which is what I need. It's what I need really bad. This is probably my worst dreaded thing about makeup is cleaning my brushes. Let me do one more brush. Okay. So now that I got soap on all of them, I'll take my little scrubber thing and scrub it out. Well, make sure all the soap and stuff is out. I'm more concerned about, once I clean it, making sure all the soap is out, so that way I know I don't have any soap or dish detergent on my face. And I squeeze it. And I got an empty container here, but you can't see it, but maybe you can see how it looks. I'm gonna show y'all so you see how dirty that one is. And if I feel like it still got some makeup in it, I'll run it across my soap brush again. And this is how it looks. So sit back, relax to some marvelous sounds, and this will be a quick one because I'm not gonna wash all these brushes with y'all now. And then we'll be back. here is a little eyeshadow brush from BH Cosmetics. These are the easiest. Those foundation brushes, after a while, they start hurting your hand. Scrubbing. And I usually rub it on my hand to make sure all the soap is out. When I squeeze it until I don't see any more soap either. That's one of the reasons why my hands always ashy when y'all see me do videos. It's because I'll usually wash my hands like before I start. I never moisturize or put lotion and stuff on my hands because I know I'm going to be rubbing my face. And I don't want to put body lotion or hand lotion on my face. So that's why my hands are always ashy. It's just relaxing to a certain degree. If you need something to do, or you just want to relax and like meditate, this is what this is for me. So I usually just sit here and look out the window. Even though I'm not looking at nothing, but just wash it. Especially if it's raining like it's doing now. I'm one of those people that like to look at the rain. This is Morphe 449. I like this brush. It's been dirty for so long. Glad I had it. The reason why I use those 3 soaps is because I feel like it doesn't take a lot to get them clean when I use those 3 together versus me using just one and I have to go in multiple times and scrub. This is a good concealer brush. Well, I guess I might as well tell y'all about the brushes. Morphe 449. This is a good concealer brush. I hope I'm in focus because I can't see anything. Yeah. I'm in focus, I hope. Y'all, if I am being honest, one brush that I could say that I never ever liked is, and everybody loved, is the Morphe 439. I feel like it's too big for my hands. It makes my hands hurt when I'm trying to blend in foundation. So I never cared for this brush. And I got like 3 of them only because everyone was saying how good they were for your foundation. But I didn't care for that one. Real Techniques makes some really good brushes too. Affordable. But not no more because I looked at some at Ulta the other day and it was like $19.99. So I don't know how affordable that is. What is it called? Eco Tools. They make really good brushes also. When I first started makeup, Mediun tools, they were like super duper affordable. Now when I look on Amazon, they're like just as much as like a Sigma brush or something like that. I mean, they're really good brushes. Mediun tools, however you say it. I used to order them from Amazon. I hope this water is not like drowning me out, guys. But yeah, Drop down in the comments and let me know what some of your favorite brushes to use. Affordable. Don't come sending me no expensive brushes. Matter of fact, I got some coming right now from Shein, and they were only $1. Once I get like all my brushes washed, I'm gonna show y'all my collection. The eyeshadow brushes, you know, they tend to get stained the most, especially since I don't wash them right when I use it. So, like that one is clean, like this one, like that one. Like this one is clean, but you see it's got that blue on it. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, it's stained. The Morphe 439, the one I don't like, it's like really, really fluffy, and I get where this can be like good to apply a lot of product without doing a lot because the brush is so big, but to me it's too big. I love talking to you guys. Y'all are my friends, even though y'all don't know it. You inspire me to do better. Okay, so I wanted to show you one of my favorite brushes. I got these from Shop Miss A, and it's by Cala. If you can see, it's right there. I'll zoom in or something, I don't know. Cala. So I use this for my powder foundation. Once I get ready to set my face, I love this brush because it's flat, it's not too big, it doesn't hurt my, it doesn't hurt my hand, and yeah, so that's why you see me with so many of them. That's probably what made me really want to wash my brushes also, because I didn't have any more clean ones. Are you guys one of those people that buy makeup brushes of how they look? Like this one has like pink rhinestones in the inside, but of course, I didn't buy it because of that. Let's see how clean it can get, because it's pink, y'all. It's supposed to be pink. So let's see. And ta-da! Got a pink brush. Y'all see it? Compared to this. Now, last but not least, these are my favorite eyeshadow brushes, my Wet n Wild. And I can't find them lately because every time I go to the dollar store, they're closed. Talking about closed for remodel, closed because no air conditioner, closed because of this, closed because of that. Like, oh, goodness. So, yeah. So, I was forced to wash these. $1.49. Although, sometimes I can find them at Walmart. That's probably what I need to try. I haven't tried Walmart. I've just been hoping that I could go to the dollar store. I might need to go to Walmart because it's 98 cents at Walmart. Best affordable blending brushes. Blend your eyeshadow like a dream. Now I won't be able to get the handle part clean, which irritates me. but we're just here for the brush, right? Okay, so this is the completed look. Forgive me if the camera's moving. I've never held it in my hand like this. It's always on a tripod. But this is some of my eyeshadow brushes right here. And then these are some of the face brushes. Not even close to how much I have to clean. But nonetheless, a little bit is better than none at all. So I just showed y'all the items that I used. Of course, you can use any items that you feel fit to use. But yeah, so this is it. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.